Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to set up email autoresponder to EverWebinar. So before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel because it really helps me out. So for you to be able to set up email autoresponder to EverWebinar, make sure you log in into your EverWebinar account, then go to your webinars dashboard, then select webinar you want to connect. Then from the left menu, click integration, then choose the email autoresponder, or your email provider like Mailchimp, GetResponse, Weber, or any other responder. Then click connect / add integration. Just click on it. Then enter your API key or login details from the email service. Then map your webinar feed, which is like the name and the email, to your autoresponders list. Then save the integrations by clicking save or apply changes. And anytime new webinar registrants will automatically be added to your email autoresponder list. And that's how you can easily set up email autoresponder to EverWebinar. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.